Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to show you how to apply for a Westpac credit card online. It only takes a few minutes and you can do it right on your phone or laptop. So first, head over to the official website, that's westpac.com.au. Once you're there, you then have to head over to the credit card section. And from there, you'll then be able to see a list of card options, so things like low rate cards, reward cards, and platinum cards. So simply take a second to click into each one and check out the features like annual fees, interest rates, and any bonus point offers they might have going on. And once you've decided which card suits you best, you can then click apply now and it will then take you to the secure online application form. Now the form itself is pretty straightforward. You need to enter your personal information such as your name, date of birth, contact information, and a few financial details like your income, employment status, and any existing debts or loans. Westpac uses this information to check if you qualify for the card and what limit they can offer you. And if you're already a Westpac customer, you can also log into your account first. This will be way faster because it will automatically fill in your information to make things easier. And once you've reviewed everything, you can then hit submit and you usually get an instant response, either a conditional approval or a note that says they will need to verify more information. But if approved, Westpac will then send you your new credit card in the mail within a few business days. And that's it. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.